What company is great for lazy software engineers? A collection of thoughts. I want to work 20 hours per week or less. TC, 210K. Edit. It seems I touched on something a lot of people can relate to. Our top comments. Google. Welcome to Bloomberg, where simply by attending the 10-minute stand-up every day is considered exceeding expectation, and by kissing the right ass, a new grad can get promoted to team leader within 1.5 years. We are proud to be crowned Software Retirement Home of the Year for 5 years running by Blind Magazine. Bonus, we have an Agile department, where Agilists get flown first class to Agile conferences a few times a year. Then they go back and implement Waterfall in the team. Legit, any company as long as you know what you're doing. I've hit multiple points in my career where I was just done. Did nothing but bare minimum for 6 months or so. Nothing happened, nobody complained. I didn't get fired, totally checked out. Eventually that got boring, so I got back into work mode. You don't have to be 100% all of the time, you just can't F up the critical things. KPMG, their software engineers do not write a single line of code. They supervise other software engineers in India. Almost all companies have teams where you can coast. The caveat in most cases is that you should be good. It's difficult to be dumb and coast. The key is to work in a team that's doing work that's extremely technically challenging, and the management perception is also that. Plus be the subject expert in the area and others look to you. You can control the pace of development fairly well in such a case. Hooli. Come join my team at Amazon and work 20 hours a week. Please. I need someone else to get pipped. Google. We have lots of coasters that I personally don't enjoy working with, but you will be able to get by, in the event you get an offer. Never join Goldman Sachs then. Facebook E8. Every company as long as you're smart and overestimate every deadline. Microsoft. Google. Just spend most of your time doing design docs for a simple problem using an overcomplicated solution. Every company if you are talented enough. The FANG equivalent for REST and VEST is probably Salesforce, Microsoft, Google, Invariant, Oracle. Call it SMOG, OMGS, SOMG, or whatever sounds cool to you. My roomie is E5 at FB and works like 2 to 4 hours a day. Bank of America. I used to go to office every day at 3 p.m. and leave by 6 p.m. And worked at home for an hour max, did this for 3 years. Microsoft, 20 hours per week. Adobe, 15 hours per week. Bank of America, 10 hours per week. American Express, 5 hours per week. Visa, hold my beer. Start your own so that I can join for the same reason as yours. Booking.com. You might even get promoted without making a single commit in a whole year. Some call it coasting, others call it WLB. MSFT, my manager doesn't work at all. Indeed, hands down, beats every other company. Unlimited PTO with no catch. People come in at 10, play pool and have hour-long lunches and leave by 4. Very easy to pull off at most non-FANG companies. Just don't stick out, keep a low profile, use the estimate meetings to your advantage, wait before you send PR. Make sure you have innovative things to say every day in Scrum so your, usually non-technical, manager thinks you are doing something complex. People care more about themselves than anyone else, is what I realized over the years. Splunk. Love this question. Definitely not Amazon. Cisco, but don't expect good TC. Bloomberg. Gas station. Don't join Facebook. I don't like 9 to 5, that's frickin' 8 hours, I like to finish in 2 to 3 hours per day. It doesn't depend on the company, depends on the team. Nielsen FTW, everybody's chill, you even get punished for getting things done. Join a bank, they move very slow, you will become lazier than you are today. Capital One, but the salary would be low, you won't get fired and can coast for life and also get promoted if you work hard. I'm too lazy to read this, can someone TLDR? This is one of the best posts I've seen on Blind, that's maybe because I'm at Amazon and I'm trying to see some hope. This is a good list. Microsoft, Cisco, Oracle, SAP, IBM, Samsung, Bank of America. Oracle is great for chilled work. I was in Oracle before this and we would give 3 to 4x estimates. Most of our office time would go in eating, chilling or chatting over coffee. Most people would leave at 4 p.m. and the others at 5 p.m. A bank. Google. MSFT for sure. Been working for 2 hours per day for the last 4 years and got 2 promotions. Twitter, woke and broke. There is a post in Microsoft channel about working on weekends being the new norm. IBM, Cisco, SAP for the win. I've heard most people refer to IBM as a retirement home. Even some folks combine 2 jobs with IBM. Put it on objective of your resume, looking for full-time opportunities for a lazy engineer, working 20 hours or less. But seriously, with questions and temperament like these in the US, China is going to take lead. Definitely a college lecturer. Lecturer, not professor. You only teach intro classes, let the TA do all the grading. Pay is good enough. You get 3 months summer break and all the holidays. You will never get fired as long as you are an okay teacher. You are respected. You teach like 3 to 5 hours a day max, and rest of the time just sitting in your office. Definitely Google. 20 hours per week is a part-time job. If you're getting paid a full-time job, you're ethically responsible to work around 40 hours a week, otherwise you're taking the job from thousands of unemployed people who could have done better. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified about our next video.